Okay, hopefully that works. Okay, so today this should be a short one. Just going to go over tree diagrams. So a tree diagram question, in my experience, comes up pretty much every maths IGCSE paper, and it will look something like this. So to give you a name, like let's say Chloe runs 2 races. The first race, she has a 30% chance of winning, and the second race, she has a 70% chance of winning. Using a tree diagram, sometimes they'll draw it for you and sometimes they want you to draw it. Determine the chance of her winning A, both races, B, exactly one race. So, how you're going to want to do this is, firstly, so you can just start off by drawing 2 lines. So we're starting off here, Chloe. The first race, she has a 30% chance of winning. That means there's a 0.3, because 30% is the same as 0.3 over 1. 0.3 over 1 is the same as 30% of 1. So 0.3 chance of winning and a 0.7 chance of losing. Race number 2, let's say she wins. She then has a 0.7 chance of winning this one, so which give her 2 wins, and a 0.3 chance of losing this one, because 100% minus 70%, which would give her a win and then a loss. If she loses her first race, well, she still has a 0.7 chance of winning the next one, since you get a loss then a win, and a 0.3 chance of losing that one. Should be a loss then a loss. So now what we can do is first we need to determine the chance of her winning both races, which would have to be this. These are our 4 outcomes: win, 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 loss, loss, win, loss, loss. When she wins both races, it has to be this outcome. And so to determine the probability of this outcome, we take the probability of this chain multiplied by the probability of this chain. So 0.3 times 0.7, which you can do in your calculator and will give you 0.21. So the answer to A is 0.21. Now, if we want exactly one race, that means that we need 1 win and 1 loss. So this one is no longer applicable because there are 2 wins. Neither is this one. So you want this one and this one. So 0.3 times 0.3 is 0.09. And 0.7 times 0.7 is 0.49. And when you've got 2 different probabilities that both satisfy the conditions, you just add them together, which equals 0.58. So the answer to this question is 0.58. And pretty much any tree diagram question, all you need to do is just draw out your tree diagram. Make sure to multiply these together to get your chances for each end outcome, and determine exactly which end outcomes you want.